Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Bitcoin on Paybis with the help of the bank transfer. So if you want to use your bank account in order to make the payment, you can just simply follow this tutorial. So first of all, come here on paybis.com. When you are on this particular page, you will be shown the login option on the top right hand corner. You need to click on that and simply log in into your account first. Then on the home page, you will be shown this type of section where the very first thing that you need to do is to simply select your currency. So depending on your currency, it is going to show you the methods. For example, if you select euro, you are going to see the debit card option, Revolut Pay, Skrill, and the Neteller option. If you select USD, you will be shown some other options too, like we have the bank transfer. Now, as you can see, if you select euro, there is no bank transfer option available. But when you select USD, the Swift bank transfer option is now available. So you just have to simply select your payment method first and the currency first. After doing so, you just have to simply enter the amount that you want to basically spend in order to purchase your crypto. Now, if you select the option of bank transfer, the minimum amount that you need to spend is 1000. So you need to keep in mind. And then you need to select the Bitcoin over here. Now, if you have any of the discount promo codes, you can just simply apply over here and then click on the option of buy Bitcoin. Now, as soon as you do this, you will be landed on the payments page where you just have to provide your banking details and conclude the payment. Now, as soon as your payment is successful, you are going to receive your Bitcoin inside your Paybis account, and you can basically manage that inside your Paybis wallet. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.